Funsho Adeoti, the first wife of Mercy Aigbe's husband, Ibaka TV boss Kazim Adeoti, has shared a cryptic post on karma. The mother of four who resides in the US took to her Insta story to send message to her ex-husband and his wife. Funsho stated that one can't get away with screwing people over their whole life as karma comes after everyone. She noted how what goes around comes around. Many have pointed out that she is subtly speaking to Kazim and Mercy Aigbe as she assured them that the universe will serve them the revenge they deserve. She, however, made it known that revenge isn't in her plans, as she believes they would ruin themselves on their own. She wrote, "Do you think Mercy Aigbe was wrong to marry her husband?